welcome back to my channel. I'm excited today because today is the first day in my new May series. I can't call it a series because it's not going to be ongoing, or maybe I can, I don't know. But basically I am doing, if you saw yesterday's video, you'll know that I'm doing a video a day in May, and it's hashtag made up in May. And today's video, because it is Wednesday and on Wednesdays we wear pink, I am using the Storybook Cosmetics Burn Book. Also going to be using the Spectrum, the Spectrum Cosmetics Mean Girls brushes, and I'm wearing the Spectrum Collection Regina eyelashes as well. So I've gone a bit like crazy Mean Girls today, and yeah, I'm just really excited. So without further ado, if you just want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. I'm sorry, I'm so awkward. Let's jump into this tutorial and get it. I've done my brow and I've done my base. My base is Tarte Shape Tape and the Lottie London Got It Covered Concealer in Porcelain. The Shape Tape is in Fair. I find Shape Tape's too dry for my eyelids now I'm getting older, and this one oxidizes a tad, so if I mix them together it gets the shade that I want and isn't as drying on my eyes. Go in with a Spectrum A12 brush. This is one of my favourite brushes to pack shadows on, and this is a really good mirror. I didn't know it had a mirror in it. I'd have not brought my little one. I'm going to go in with the shade Wednesday, which is this gorgeous pink shade, and I'm going to put that all in my crease. And I'm doing a half cut crease today. Ooh, wow, that is gorgeous. Let me zoom you in actually. To deepen that, I'm actually going to go in with this deep, it's like a burgundy colour, and it's called She Doesn't Even Go Here. Just to deepen it up, I've decided that I want to deepen my crease up a bit, and then when I cut it, you'll see the definition. This isn't a Spectrum brush, this is a Peaches and Cream PC07 brush. Then I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called You Can't Sit With Us, and this is a Morphe M562 brush. I'm using a Spectrum Mean Girls brush. This is the B06 brush. This is one of my favourite big blender brushes, and I'm just using that just to buff out my edges, just so it's all seamless. Like so. Then going in with the Zoeva 144 brush, I can't remember what it was then. I'm just going to stamp at the front of my eye and then look up and roll my eye around, and it just tells me where I need to do my cut. And then you literally just stamp out. From there. Taking just a random blender brush, I'm just going to flick the outer edge because I don't want it to have a harsh line. I think I've ended up cutting away half of that She Doesn't Even Go Here shade. And then taking a A16 brush, it's just a thin flat brush, I'm going to take the shade, ooh, what shade do I want? I'm going to do Regina George. That shade is beautiful, but it's really chunky. Let me just zoom you in a tad more. I don't know if you can see it, the cut is just really chunky. Now I've done the edges, I'm going to take the A07 brush, which is like a flat packer brush, with the same Regina George shade, and then just put it all over my half cut. It's just a bit faster. They've got a lot of lid. And then I'm going to go in with the shades that I've used just in my outer edge and blend it out. So I'm going to go in with the She Doesn't Even Go Here, that dark shade. Even though you can't really see it at my cut, I do want it to deepen the out of corner still. And Wednesday. Finally, a bit of You Can't Sit With Us. Then going back in with the brush that I had Regina George on, I'm just going to blend. It's more like a tapping motion, just those edges, because I don't want to blend it away, but I want to sort of merge the two shades. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the NYX Slide on Glide on in Platinum. I think it's just called Platinum. Yeah, just platinum, it's just silver. I'm going to put that in my waterline. And then with the Mean Girls A17, oh my god, I didn't even realise they've got little quotes on the handle. So this is like, she's a life ruiner. The one that I use, Regina George's, that's so fetch. Boo You Hot is the little A16 brush. And the B06 is You Go Glen Coco. I'm so glad that I didn't know I was all using them. Anyway, I'm going to go in with the shade Cool Mom. And I'm going to buff that all under my lower lash line. To deepen that up, because it's not as like dark as I wanted it to be, I'm going to go in with October 3rd, which is like a slate grey. On the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Mouse Dirt, which is a silver. So I'm just going to go off camera to do the other eye, and then I'll be back to do the face with you, just because I have got the Mean Girls face brushes, so you might as well see it all. So back soon. I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to use the Spectrum B01 brush. She doesn't even go here. It's just a flat buffer brush. So I'm just going to buff that all in. Take a chance, take a shot, look where it got me. Look where it got me. My battery went and I looked down and I got foundation on my t-shirt. I'm really sad now. I'm going to go in with the Lottie London one again, and I'm going to go in with the Peggy Sage Luminous Skin one. This one is really light, but I want a bit of the peachiness out of this to cover my eye bags. I'm just going to set it with the Urban Decay Naked Skin powder and just use my beauty blender. Going in, this is the Pretty Little Thing. I think it's actually a face powder. Yeah, it's a setting powder, but I got it in the, oh, what shade here? Oh, it doesn't shade. I think it's medium. I'm going to use it as a bronzer. And I'm going to go in with the Spectrum Mean Girls A05 brush. You're like really pretty. Ooh, because it's a setting powder, it's like really pigmented. That's really nice. Ooh, that brush is getting cheekbones, man. Get rid of my 5 head. And just to deepen it a tad, I'm going to go in with the Lottie London one in medium dark and a Molly O'Brien Arabella brush, and I'm just going to put it underneath just to sort of deepen that contour. Because this face needs to look like it's chiselled. So I'm just going to go in with the Cheek Pop Plum Pop by Clinique. I'm really extra. I'm going to go in with this is the Anastasia Blush Trio in Pink Passion, and I'm going to go in with this really, actually, do you know what, I'm just going to swirl my brush around them all. This is a Spectrum A01 brush. You can walk home, bitches. And I just want to deepen that pink up because we are thinking pink today. When I say I swirled it in, like it was like a whoosh. So, I promise it's not as crazy as it looks. Right, then I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colours. It's the Baked Highlighter in Pearl Dust, and I'm going to take the CO1 brush. On Wednesdays we wear pink. Today's Wednesday. We're using pink, we're wearing pink, we have pink on our t-shirt, we're doing pink. And I'm just going to like smash that, just like dab that all over the tops of my cheekbones with a really nice brush. I've gone like too far down there though. Oops. Right, I've gone too far down. I should watch what I'm doing. Anyway, the extra, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Blossom Glow. she looks like this, and a Spectrum A21 brush. You can't sit with us. And I'm literally going to put this, like, why did I say literally? I'm going to put this at the top of my cheekbones. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? Ooh, that was pretty. Let me just match it up. Well, I don't need to wet it. I was going to wet my skin, but she don't need it. She popping. And on the tip of my nose. I feel like I've got so much blush on. In the camera it looks like I haven't. I mean, I've got heavier than I normally do, but I actually quite dig it. Brilliant, brilliant. The only brush that I haven't used is this one. So I don't really use fan brushes like this. This is an A10 brush, but for the purposes of this video, just so I can say I've used them all, I am gonna take a little bit of the Dose of Colours highlighter and just whack that on the Cupid's bow. But now I can say I've used them all. If you have watched my Spectrum lash try on, you'll know that these are the Regina lash. I don't know if they're bringing them back. I really hope they are because it's a really nice lash.
Don't think that this was easy. Don't think that I won't warn you.
Bit of brown gel. Right, so I'm going to do a bright lip. I don't know if actually this is going to go with the look, but I'm going to do it anyway. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 lip pencil in Anarchy. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever, oh what shade here? Oh, I think they're just numbers, aren't they? It's just number 36, which is again a bright pink. Ooh, because I'm really extra, I'm going to go in with the Winky Lux Disco Gloss. This is in Hustle, so it's got slight glitter in it. Finished look, what do you think? I really like how it came out. I'm a little bit hit and miss on the shimmers in that palette, but I think I did alright with what I was playing with, not to toot my own horn. But yes, this is day one of Made Up in May. I probably won't be saying like day 1, day 2, day 3 and all that, because I don't know what order my videos are going to go in, so I know that this is day one, and that's it. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give me a big thumbs up and let me know down below what you thought of it. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to do specifically. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I believe my channel is 3 on the 20th, I still haven't checked. I think it is the 20th, that is when my channel's 3, so on that day look out for lots of glitter and sparkle, because I'm going to go a bit extra that day, like extra. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this, again, thumbs up, comment below, hit the subscribe button and the bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!